Welcome, fellow learners, to the ultimate guide on how to study effectively. Studying doesn't have to be stressful. With the right techniques, you can maximize your learning and achieve academic success. Let's start with setting up your study space. Find a quiet, well-lit area free from distractions. Keep your study materials organized and within reach. This will help you stay focused and motivated. Next, manage your time wisely. Break your study sessions into manageable chunks and take short breaks in between. Try the Pomodoro Technique. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle to maintain focus and productivity. When faced with challenging topics, don't hesitate to ask for help. Reach out to your teachers, classmates, or online resources for assistance. Remember, there's no shame in seeking support. Engage in active learning strategies, such as summarizing key points, teaching concepts to others, or creating flashcards. These techniques reinforce your understanding and help commit information to memory. Lastly, prioritize self-care. Get enough sleep, eat nutritious meals, and make time for relaxation and exercise. A healthy body and mind are essential for effective studying. By implementing these strategies, you'll become a master of effective studying, ready to tackle any academic challenge that comes your way.